Hi students, today we are going to discuss about 6th standard social science term 2 lesson economics and introduction. This is in the economic part. Now we are going to discuss the important objects.
The laughter of children echoed throughout the children's park of that apartment. Some slided down joyfully down the slide, and some went up and down in the seesaw, shouting cheerfully. Others were swinging so high and fast in the swings as if they were about to reach the sky. Some children were waiting near the swings to play next. Kevin did not join with any of these children. He sat alone in a corner, staring somewhere. His uncle Mohan noticed Kevin and came near him. Kevin, are you going to play with your friends? Asked his uncle as he sat next to Kevin. Uncle, everyone teases me, calling me a villager, said Kevin, with tears rolling down his eyes. Even our Vimalan laughs along with them. I came here for the holidays with so much of excitement. Now I regret my presence here. I want to go back to our village, Uncle, sobbed Kevin. Is it so? Where is Vimalan? Asked his uncle and started to reach for his son in the crowd. Vimalan called him in loud voice. On hearing his father's voice, Vimalan inquired, "Did you call me Dad?" and came near him. Did everyone tease Kevin? Asked Mohan. Vimalan didn't utter a word. He stood quietly. Even though I live in this big city, I also hail from the same village. My roots are still there, said his father worriedly. Then he added, "Go and bring your friends. I have to tell something to you." Saying this, he sat near Kevin. When Vimalan brought his friends, his father made them all sit down together. Mohan asked the children, "Let me come to the point directly. Do you know from where do we get all the food? The rice and pulses we eat. We buy them from shops," said Anand. "Tell me, where do the shopkeepers get these things from?" "I think they would buy them from those who grow crabs, Uncle," said Inba. "Correct. We call those people who raise crabs as farmers. Farming is the main occupation in villages. The children looked at each other surprised. The farmers grow various crops like pulses, grains, vegetable, etc. and send them to the shops in cities. We buy and consume them. Uncle, I have a doubt, said Kavin. Tell me, Kavin. In villages, I have seen people selling all kinds of things in a place. Why do they call it Sunday instead of shops? Yes, Kavin. Do you all know from where do they bring these things to Sunday? We don't know, Uncle, said the children. I told you already that the things which are produced in villages are brought to Sunday. That before I want to say, in villages, once in a week or month, all things are sold in a particular place at a specific time to meet the needs of the people. That is called Sunday. That is called Sunday. Fine, Kavin. Do you know what activities are carried out in the Sunday? Buying and selling, said Kavin. Very good, Kavin. Apart from going to the Sunday with your mother, you have also noticed what's happening around you. Hearing this, Kavin smiled. All the children said in unison. Without knowing the importance of villages, we teased Kavin. Forgive us, Uncle, we won't hurt anyone hereafter. We wish to know more about this. Sure, I will tell you, said Mohan. Small traders and other people buy things from Sunday, explained Mohan. Do you know consumer goods? The finished goods which are bought from the market to fulfill the daily needs of the consumers is called consumer goods. Example, rice, clothes, bicycles, etc. Thank you.